This is true wealth experts. Build income and create the freedom you deserve. Now let's get to work. 4 hours. That's how long it took to build the product. It's made $9,000 since. I'll show you exactly how to do the same thing tonight. True wealth experts, real strategies, real money. Subscribe if you're serious about building AI income. We don't do fluff here. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 4-hour system I use to build sellable digital products using AI, what to build, how to build it, where to sell it, and how to get your first sale with zero audience. Let me explain why this model is so powerful before we get into the how. A digital product costs essentially nothing to replicate. Once it's built, selling one copy costs exactly as much as selling 1,000. That is a business model most people never experience. Compare that to freelancing, where you trade hours for money, or drop shipping, where you're managing inventory and margins. Digital products have neither of those problems. You build once, you sell forever. Every sale after the first is pure profit. And with AI tools, the build time is down to hours, not weeks. That is what makes this different in 2026. Now, here's where most people mess this up. They build what they want to build, not what the market is already paying for. Here's how to find what actually sells. Go to gumroad.com, discover, filter by your niche, sort by most popular. Now read every single 3-star review you can find. Those complaints are your product specification. Build the version that fixes everything they hated. This is called demand-validated product creation. All right, here is the actual 4-hour system. Hour 1, research and outline. I use Claude AI. Claude gives me the full structure in 90 seconds. I spend the rest of the hour refining it. Hour 2, content generation. Module by module, I feed the outline back to Claude and have it write each lesson. I make it real. Hour 3, design. Canva. Dark background template. 1 accent color. This is where perceived value is built or destroyed. Hour 4, publish. Payhip or Gumroad. Write the description, set the price, upload the PDF. You're live. 4 hours, that's the whole system. If you want the exact Claude prompts I use, I've included them all in the AI Side Hustle Playbook. $27, link in the description. Nobody talks about this part. How do you make your first sale when you have 0 followers? 3 channels. 1, community posting. Find where your buyer hangs out. 2, direct outreach. Message 30 people on LinkedIn with a preview. 3, this YouTube channel. 1 video targeting a buying intent keyword drives sales for years. All 3 cost you nothing. The AI Side Hustle Playbook has the complete digital product system. It will save you 40 hours of trial and error. Link below. Next video, AI freelancing. How to charge $500 for 45 minutes of work. Watch that one next. I'll see you there. Let's get to work.